Let me show you what comes in this amazing kit, that if you do purchase this to accompany this lesson plan, it comes with everything you see here on the table. First and foremost, it comes with this great flip book. The flip book is a conversation starter. It's a talking tool to use with your class. They can look on to this as you talk about it with them. So it takes it through each one of the elements, starting with a line, and it talks about the different types of line that can be seen in a design of fashion or housing and interior design. And it gives a photograph to look at, which includes some line details that they can point out and talk about. At the bottom it says think and talk about these things. Describe the lines in the design and how do they direct the eye. If you don't have this kit, you can perform the same activity at home by having students locate design pictures either in fashion magazines or online. This kit comes with these items in order to help you express texture. A lot of remnants of different ribbons and threads that can be put onto paper. We have some cutting tools, scissors and detail tools, X-acto knives, Sharpie markers, some shape templates, bendable rulers, straight rulers, an assortment of papers, tacky glue, watercolor colored pencils that with water and paintbrushes can be conformed into a watercolor appearance on the paper. So we've included some paintbrushes. We also have the marker sets that also are a watercolor brush effect that students love and can use to create really cool shading effects on their designs. We also have this class kit of color wheels that can be handed out to each student so that everyone can have their own personal color wheel to use and refer to as they're creating their designs.